Meron tayong given. So, find the measure of angle A. So, meron tayong x plus 59, 84, tsaka x plus 51 na angles ng triangles na. So, basically, pwede natin siya i-solve like this. Two ways ulit para may pagpipilian ka. So, una, i-add natin yung mga measure ng angles. So, yung x plus 59, yung 84, pati yung x plus 51, which is equal to 180. Kasi yung total measure ng interior angle ng triangle, that is 180, diba? So, meron tayo nito guys, i-combine lang natin yung mga similar terms. So, meron tayong dalawang variable x. So, pag in-add natin sila, magiging 2x yon. Then, proceed tayo sa constant. So, kung meron tayong 59 plus 84 plus 51, anong kalalabasan doon? So, 59 plus 51, that is 110. 110 plus 84, that is 194. So, magiging 194. Tama ba? Which is equal to 180. So, magkaroon tayo na ito guys. So, basically, to find the value of x, we need to transpose yung 194. So, magiging 180 minus 194 siya. Which means, magkakaroon tayo ng 180 minus 194, that is negative 14. So, we need to divide both sides by 2 to find the value of x, which is negative 7. Pero hindi ito yung answer guys. Ito lang yung value ng x. So, we need to find the value of angle A, yung measure. So, which means, kung meron tayong x plus 51 sa angle A natin, so, magkakaroon tayo ng negative 7 plus 51 equals sa angle A. So, yung negative 7 plus 51, that is positive 44. So, ito yung final answer dapat natin para dyan. Pero may isa pang way guys to solve this. Like, kung meron tayong 84 dito, ilan pa yung kulang para mabuo yung 180? So, meron kang 180 minus 84, that is 96, di ba? 96 pa yung kulang. So, ngayon itong 96 guys, ito na lang yung gagamitin mo para sa dalawang measurement na may variable x. So, basically, 96 ba? Tama. Yan. So, yun. So, bali ang gagamitin natin guys, ito na lang dalawa. So, meron tayong x plus 59, tama. Plus yung x plus 51, equate natin sa 96 na lang. So, basically, magkakaroon tayo ng x plus x, that is 2x. So, plus yung 59 plus 51, that is 110 equals 96. So, magkakaroon ka ng 2x equals 96 minus 110, magiging 2x equals negative 14 pa rin siya. So, basically, pag dinivide natin by 2, makukuha natin yung value ng x, which is negative 7 pa rin. Then, plug mo na siya dito. So, yun ang siya ginagawa.